Hello friends, this is Megha and welcome to my channel Crazy for Health. We all must be aware of how beneficial sprouts are for us. So we will be making a very interesting sprouts chilla which you can make very easily. It is quick and delicious. So let's quickly check out the recipe.
For this recipe, I have taken 2 cups of mixed sprouts. Now in a mixer, take all of them, add salt, pepper and grind them with a cup of water. Once done, take it out in a bowl. And now add 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 onion chopped, ginger paste, green chilies and coriander leaves, turmeric powder, and this is the water I've rinsed from the mixer. Next add half a lemon juice and mix well. The batter is ready. Now in a pan, take a spoonful of this batter and spread it. Pour some oil and cover it with a lid. After a minute, flip over the chilla and roast from both the sides till they turn brown in color. For this recipe, you can use any sprouts that is available. It's completely optional. Serve the chillas along with tomato ketchup and salad.
If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any recipe with me again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.